Good morning. It's Tuesday, May 5th. I hope you enjoyed your long weekend. Today you are just finishing brushing up on the final details on your paper. So if we take a look at the slides today, it says Tuesday, May 5th, Day 3, Learning Targets. I can use feedback to make my final revisions to the draft of my explanatory essay. I can use a rubric as a guide to complete an embedded assessment successfully. Okay, so you need to submit this paper before tomorrow, so the end of the day. So you can work on finishing all your touches up all day long, and then just make sure you submit it before tomorrow. So you're going to submit it, the final draft, through Schoology and your revision assistant. I'll quick show you where that is again. There's a rubric I'm going to show you. You're going to finish, fill that out using Kami. And again, like I said, you're going to submit it before Wednesday. All right, going up here. Here's your rubric. So when you open this, you're going to open this. So the directions say, complete this rubric based on your explanatory essay on how people can enhance their lives through observing and interacting with animals. To complete this rubric, read each of the 10. Let me see if I can open it here. Each of the 10 criteria and circle one or highlight it that fits for your paper. You have a total of 10 circles or highlighted boxes. When you are done, remember to open this document using Kami so you can write on it. So here you open with Kami, and when you go in, all right, so here you can, if you want to highlight it, that will mark it right here. So you hit mark up. Or you can draw the circles or circle with the shapes. But when there's 10, so here's the criteria. It's 1. Here's the first one. You read across. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones you can choose from. You choose one of these 5. Then you read this ideas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You choose one. One for structure for paragraph 1 for the introduction. One for the body, paragraph 2. One for body, or the structure body of paragraph 3, structure body of paragraph 4, structure conclusion paragraph 5. Then structure on transitions, the document formatting, and your use of language conventions. Now this document formatting, you will get a lot of feedback on that from the Kami, or on the revision assistant. So if you look what each of these and you go across, you should circle one or highlight one from each of them. So like if I went here and I did this text highlighter, I can just go, oh, this one fits mine. Oops, I missed it. Right here. And I can highlight, and there it's highlighted. So that's mine for the one if I want. Now, if I made a mistake, I just go like this, and I go trash, and then it unhighlights it. Okay. So again, one across for each of the criteria here. So go start with criteria, start ideas, and go straight across and read all of them and pick the one that best fits your paper. And do that for each of the areas. And then when you're done, go over here to turn it in, and then hit turn it in again. And that will be submitted. And you'll, just for filling it out, you automatically get a 5 out of 5 for filling it out. Okay? And then your next thing that you're going to do, let me just go into well, I guess I could, but okay. Your final draft. So in your materials in the distance learning folder, here is your rough draft. You should have submitted that by now. You'll get points just for doing your rough draft. And then the final draft, which I'm going to use that same rubric to grade your final draft. Rubric is just, you know, did you follow directions? Did you complete it? It's not necessarily that each area is exactly perfect and right, because it's a rough draft. It's, did you do it? Did you write sentences, not just a word? And you have 5 paragraphs. You're getting points for completing it. Again, here's another copy of the rubric. So your main goal today is go through. You should have already had a parent look at it. You make changes right on the computer. Revision assistant too. I want to kind of just quick show you that. Those of you, we got to turn that in. So if you go to Springboard here, in case you haven't done that yet, if you go into Springboard, ebooks, 6th grade, and again, mine's going to look a little different because I'm the instructor. Over here, these 3 little dots is table of contents. You're going to pick Unit 2 and go all the way down to Embedded Assessment 2. Click on that. Here it says the assignment right here, and you're going to go to the plus sign and then the A, and there it pops up. Oh, wait. Oh, I know why. I'm in the teacher copy. I gotta go to a period. So period 1. Same thing though, you're gonna have this assignment word, and you hit plus sign and the A, and then here where it says turn it in, revision assistant. So make sure you hit that button just to turn it in. Again, you're getting points for just doing this, that you actually use this and look at it. Again, mainly this focuses on structure. It's not all the specific details of the evidence and everything, but it's, you know, did you do 5 paragraphs, that kind of thing. So make sure you turn that into, and again, email me if you have any questions or concerns, so I can help you out. All right, thanks. Have a great day.